I am here with, why do I say that every time? You'd think I would learn. Duh, I'm here. Duh, it's a video. Hello. Anyways, we're going to be playing with the Bad Habit Aura palette today. And yeah, I created a beautiful purpley look with it that I kind of enjoy. I think it's gorgeous. So yeah, if you happen to enjoy this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I would love to have you here, and we have lots and lots and lots to do on this channel. So yes, subscribe. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay. All right, so today we're gonna play with this Aura Bad Habit palette. Super stoked about that. So I used my Bad Habit concealer, I always say that, eyeshadow primer, and I set it with some Coty Airspun. So we are ready to dive right in. So I'm going to start off with the Dream State right there, and we're going to use that as a crease shade or a transition. Remember, very soft shadows. There is a lot of kickback, but if you're careful, that you can control the amount of kickback that there is. So yeah, I am digging all these palettes, I must say. They have such good color payoff. I'm so impressed. Okay, now we're gonna go into Haze, which is this mauve color. We're gonna use that in the crease. Oh, you know what? Before we continue, I totally forgot. So before I continue, I totally forgot I wanted to take a shadow shield and put it on. I did my base makeup first today because I absolutely hate how I look without base makeup. So I really just wanted to get that on. Now I feel weird, but at least I know I will not be getting shadow all over my base makeup. Okay, back into Haze. Let's get it. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go on the outer corner and about half the lid. We're going in with this dark purple Destiny. We're going to try it on our finger first. That is such a pretty color. But I feel like we may have to go in with a wet brush if we really want that intensity. And we know I like intensity. We're going to use this INMO brush, and we're going to wet it with a little bit of this Hard Candy setting spray. We're going to go into that Destiny. Ooh. That is so pretty. Now on the other side of that brush, we're gonna just spray the other side as well. We're gonna go into ethereal. Yep, don't know how to pronounce it, so we're just winging it. And we're gonna go into that wet, obviously. We're gonna put that right here. On the finger. I'm gonna blend it into the Destiny color. Ooh, I'm liking that. We're gonna go into the crease again with that haze. Just a little. Just to kind of buff it and kind of blend the edges. We're gonna go in with a pencil brush. We're gonna go into the color Vibe to darken up the outer corner, just to add a little depth. Clean blending brush and blend out the edges. Do a little eyeliner before I take off these stickers. Okay, let's remove these. Look at those lines. Damn! Soften them out a little bit. I'm going to take Vibe. I'm going to take it on this flat stamping brush. And I'm just going to stamp it right up on the lash line. Just on the outer third. Now we're gonna take, let's see, this little fluffy pencil-ish brush. We're actually gonna go to ethereal. We're just gonna dab a little. We're going to just put that down. Bottom lash line. Okay, on the bottom we're going to use the cream liner by E.L.F. with this lining brush, and we're only going to, oh my goodness, oh my god, just going to line the outer third. Let me dry off my waterline. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner in black and just tightline the top. Now I'm going to pop out my lashes and add my mascara and do my lips, and I'll be back. Okay, so lashes are on, lips are done, mascara is on. For my lips, I used this stereoscopic lip liner, number P1201-10. It's in this color. And then I went over that with this Bang Beauty Spice lip gloss. And then I on a Kleenex because I don't like my lips too glossy. They feel too slip slidey, and I don't like that feeling. So that's what I did for the lips. And for my lashes, I have the Kiss Flirty lashes that I got in my Ulta haul. And I must say, also in that haul, I got this Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. I love this. Love this. I put it on my lashes, pop my lashes on. They dry like immediately. No sliding around. No having to like hold one side down till it sticks. I love this so much more than that Kiss one. I will not be purchasing another Kiss lash glue for sure. So yeah, sprayed myself down with some Prime and Fine and used E.L.F mascara on the bottom and Wet n Wild Mega Wear on the top. And yeah, that is all. So my thoughts on the Aura Bad Habit palette. I like it. It's very nice. I was a little surprised at how this shimmer, this performed dry. I thought it was going to perform a little better than it did, but I mean, it's fine. You wet it and it looks gorgeous. So yeah, the rest of them, they're very pigmented. They blend amazing. I mean, I have a feeling that's going to be a theme throughout all of the Bad Habit and Face Candy palettes. I totally think they're worth the money to me. So yeah, I really liked it. I enjoyed it. I will definitely be using it again for more looks because I don't buy palettes to use once and then be done with it. It's just, why would I do that? So yeah, that, my friends, is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the look I created, and I hope this was informative and made you go, maybe I'll pick that palette up. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, because that just makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot of people have been forgetting to hit that subscribe button. I'm kidding. I don't know if you people forget or not, or if you just don't like me. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation. Anyways, as I was saying before I choked on air, be alerted as soon as my videos go up every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10 a.m. Also, head on over to my Facebook where you can, hit me up with some questions for future Q&A videos, some assumptions if you want me to do an assumption video. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you keep coming back for more, because there's lots more palettes to be exploring. A lot of more looks. Lots more looks. So yeah, I hope you continue to come back, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.